Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to zoom in here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Zooming in on your design in Canva is a simple process that can help you work more precisely on specific details. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover on the design or project that you are working in. If you don't have yet, just click on the templates, and these are some of the options that you can choose. You can go for the business template, social media template, education, video, marketing, print products, and more. Or if you don't, just click on the create a new design to start from scratch. Now I'm going to upload a specific image. All right. For you to be able to use the zoom tool, you see the slider right here at the bottom right corner of the Canva editor. You can drag the slider to the right to zoom in or to the left to zoom out. All right, so these are one of the easiest way for you to do it. Now, alternatively, you can click on the percentage next to the slider. All right, if you have that. You see this? You have 300%, 200, you have like 125. You also have the 100, 75, and of course 50. If you want to 25% or 10%. You can also choose the fit or the fill. So dependent on your preferences. You also have the option to use your computer. If you press Control and plus, you see that you can zoom in for as long as you wanted. If you want to zoom out, press Control minus to zoom out. All right. Now, as you can see, zooming in allows you to focus on specific elements of your design. Maybe if you're using text, images, and graphics, enabling you to make detailed adjustments and edits. If you're working with multiple elements, all right, for example, I'm going to add here a video. All right, and add an upload image here. So you see, you would notice that when you zoom in, it helps ensure that everything is aligned perfectly. And of course, you can see how clearly your elements interact with each other. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.